video before. You can see that. Thank you. So we have got leather seats.
Like you try turning the
figure is.
गुड मॉर्निंग, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। क्या हाल चाल है आप सबके? मुझे उम्मीद है आप सब बिल्कुल ठीक होंगे और अल्लाह का शुक्र है मैं भी बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ। काफ़ी अर्से के बाद मैं वीडियो बना रहा हूँ, लेकिन खैर कोई बात नहीं। अच्छा, आज हमारा एक इंडस्ट्री विज़िट है विटेक्स में, दुबई में। तो हम लोग वहाँ पे जा रहे हैं, मेरे सारे दोस्त होंगे और हम लोग वहाँ पे एंजॉय करेंगे, एक्सपीरियंस करेंगे कि क्या है। विटेक्स वर्ल्ड ट्रेड सेंटर में है ये इवेंट जो इंडस्ट्रियल विज़िट है। तो अभी मैं जाऊंगा, जाके अपने एक दो दोस्तों को पिक करूंगा और उसके बाद हम लोग सीधा यहाँ से जाएंगे दुबई वर्ल्ड ट्रेड सेंटर। तो चलते हैं अभी और जाके देखते हैं। उसके बाद हम लोग खाना खाएंगे और उसके बाद हम लोग फिर वापस आ जाएंगे। तो आप लोग आ जाए मेरे साथ, हम लोग वीडियो का स्टार्ट करते हैं। आ जाइए, लेट्स गो। गुड मॉर्निंग।
Good morning. All good.
How are you doing, bro?
All good, bro.
I think this is the second time you're showing up in a video,
This is
right?
the second guest.
Second-
Cameo.
Second
yes.
cameo, yeah. Okay, so now we'll pick up Moise and then we'll head towards the World Trade Center for the Vitex event, right?
Yes.
Yeah, all right. See you guys at the World Trade Center. Let's go. Moise, how are you, bro?
I'm good, how are you?
We are very good, bro. Okay, so we just found the parking in the Mustaqbil Tower because there was no parking outside because of the Vitex event. So we are now heading towards the World Trade Center. Kudus, when we came before, we parked on the other side of the road. It was paid parking there, the RTA parking, yeah. But now, no, now it's not there. Before it was there, the paid parking was there, but now it's not there. Okay, so this is the entrance of the Vitex, the convention gate. We'll scan the QR code here, and then we'll enter into the event. So we reached till hall number 5. We need to enter from hall number 4 into the event. Okay, so this event is from October 1 till October 3. So you can sign up for free if you need the pass, need the badge for the entrance at the gate. These are the sponsors. Fine. Thank you. तो अभी देखिए हम लोग जो विटेक्स का इवेंट है यहाँ पे अंदर एंटर हो गए, लेकिन जो हमारे दोस्त हैं और जो टीचर्स वगैरह हैं वो हॉल 4 की तरफ हैं। तो अभी हम लोग हॉल 4 की तरफ जाएंगे। So this is the badge of the Vitex event. Naveen, you got the badge?
Yeah, I got the badge. Everything is so. You have to search for other people now.
Yeah. They're probably on the hall 4, yeah. हाँ, वो सामने खड़े हैं वो लोग। See there. Bro, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। तो हम लोग जो है अभी विटेक्स के इवेंट के अंदर जो है एंटर हो गए हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे डिफरेंट हॉल्स वगैरह बने हैं, हॉल नंबर 1 से लेके हॉल नंबर 6 तक। ये देखें, दिस इज़ द चाइना पवेलियन। और Bro, do you know what's the Vitex event about? Anything about the event? I don't know about any.
basically about like environment friendly stuff.
Environment friendly what?
Yeah, environment friendly stuff like water innovation regarding water.
Okay.
basically.
Regarding the sustainability,
Yeah,
yeah?
yeah.
Amar ko sharam aa- An amazing journey into the sustainability world. It's the part of Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum Solar Park. Okay, so this is all about the sustainability that I have already told you before. They have got different models here. I'll show you the other side of the model. I'm sorry. Okay, so see, this is different countries are representing their the models, I think. So we have got England, Bangladesh, UAE. Here we have got China, the United States of America. So there are different colleges and university students here. You can see the Tesla Cybertruck. Okay, so this is the Tesla Cybertruck, and this is the electric charging of the Tesla cars. Excuse me? Can I look around inside the car? Thank you. Okay, so this is the new car, the new brand for thing. We'll just look around. This is the carbon. Interior is carbon.
How was the car?
It's very good, bro. It's nice. So we'll look.
The price is 140.
140k.
145. I think.
145. Okay, that's nice, bro. It's very nice. Okay, so Ganesh, this is the gear, right?
Yeah, that's it.
That's very nice, bro.
This is
The
glass,
interior
bro.
is very nice.
The gear is glass.
We'll go. Alright, fine. Go. Thank you, brother. Thank you. This is the new brand, right? The fourth thing?
It's not necessarily a new brand, but yeah, in UAE it's a bit new.
In UAE, it's new. So it's basically from where? From China. From China. Yes. The interior is very nice. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so this is the Cybertruck. And we have got robot here, the Tesla robot. It's all about programming. So this is the Cybertruck. We have got it. We can't sit inside the Cybertruck because it's not allowed. But yeah, we can sit inside the Chinese cars. This is the Model Y. This is the Cybertruck. Is this the electric one? It's very nice. Can I look around inside the car? Thank you. So we have got leather seats.
Like you try turning the steering wheel, it is very smooth. Close the door. It's very smooth.
Yeah. Okay, so the steering is very smooth, right?
Yeah. And you have this huge display.
It's very nice,
All
bro.
the things you can.
The functions. This is for the
Climate
seat.
controls. You have power seats.
We have got the power seats, the climate control. Okay, what about this thing? See, there's some more function.
And you have the gear selector here. The gear selector. And this is the car key.
This is the car key, right? This is the car key. This is also from China, Danish, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, and this is the sunroof. Is the, I think it's the 7-seater or it's 5-seater? It's a 5-seater.
And you can have the 360 camera here.
Okay, so we're having the 360 camera. It's on the left side, like this one. Yeah, this is the back side. Skywards, right?
How was the car?
It's very good, bro. The car is very. There's so many different functions.
Oh, is that 360 parking here?
Yeah, the
This
360
car
parking.
has auto park. So you can just say to park and park by itself. The automatic, the back side. This car, like this,
It will close.
it will open.
It will open.
When you have the key with you, and you have something in your hand,
Uh-huh.
if you want to keep it inside, do it like this.
Okay, so it's just a sensor down there, right? Yeah. Okay. But for that, you need to have the key in your hand.
In your pocket.
Oh, nice, nice. nice. See the remote control kick opening. Okay, so this is a charger, right? Very good. What's wrong with it? Like two types are there. Very good. So we're getting more electric cars in the upcoming future, other than Tesla. Excuse me? Excuse me, brother?
Yes, sir.
How much is the car?
We have range starting from 115.
Okay.
Goes to 150,000.
150,000. And the origin is from China? They're basically from China?
The brand is from China, but
Okay.
this cars which we are getting here is made in Romania.
Made in Romania. Okay, so they're actually new in UAE, right?
No, we are here from 22 onwards.
22. Alright. Fine, thank you so much. So the price range starting from it's 115,000 and goes till 150,000. और वो सामने इनके चार्जेस पड़े हैं. चलें? I mean, that's it for the Vitix.
Yeah, that is it. We had so much fun. So cutting edge technology and all this so much.
Show what you have got, bro.
Bro, this is, I don't know, they are yapping about something. Yeah.
यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने जो है ज़ोहर की नमाज़ पढ़ी है. हाँ, बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट बात करें वो लोग. अभी ज़ोहर की नमाज़ पढ़ी और वो सामने मरहबा मंदी है, वहाँ पे भी हम लोग चलते हैं और जाके वहाँ पे जितने भी और हमारे दोस्त वगैरह वहीं पे आ गए. अच्छा, ये सामने मरहबा मंदी है ना, ये नज़र आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा? ओके, ये देखिए. और यहाँ पे भी हम लोग जो है मंदी खाएंगे और उसके बाद 1 मिनट गाड़ी बंद कर दो, निकल जाए. लेट्स गो. तो उसके बाद फिर हम लोग यहाँ से निकलेंगे घर वापस. गर्मी बहुत सख्त है यहाँ पे. लॉक कर दें और अंदर चलते जाके. उफ, समी सलाम अलैकुम. बड़े चश्मा पहन के आया, गाड़ी लेके नहीं. चुलबुल पांडे वलीमे का सूट पहन के आया समिया. अच्छा, चश्मा वो दूसरा चुलबुल पांडे. जल्दी आ जाता है, वेट कर रहे हैं. और गाड़ी का रिव्यू मैंने करना है अभी.
Take my wallet.
Yeah, you need the key, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the mandi shop, Marhaba Mandi. और Assalamu alaikum. Nihal, how are you, bro? Salam.
Good idea.
Very good idea.
You won't be able to lean though.
Yeah.
There's one more person.
So we have got this soup first. Danish, you know what's included in this, the thing? This is the chicken masbi, or this is the masbi?
Yeah, this is the normal chicken.
Okay.
This is mutton madbi.
Okay.
This is chicken mukakkal, and this is
These are the kebabs, right?
mixed with
Yeah, okay. And this whole plate is for 100 dirhams, including the entire things. Okay.
10 minutes.
Yeah, 10 plates are
And can
fine.
you get us some more of this?
Some?
Bread.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so Sami has got the Mitsubishi ASX and it's very nice, mashallah. Sami, chabi de. Look around the car. Mashallah. Alaik Allahumma barik. Kya baat hai. Huh? Okay, now we'll go to the trunk and we'll check the trunk now. Astaghfirullah. Sami, तूने इसको kidnap क्यों किया? Sami, how much is it driven?
126.
बहुत अच्छी समी माशाल्लाह. पीछे से देख.
What drive? Economy gone, yeah?
तो देखिए अभी मैं घर आ गया हूँ, जितने भी मेरे दोस्त वगैरह थे वो भी सारे घर चले गए हैं और 2 दोस्त मेरे साथ आए थे, एक को मैंने अबू शुमारा में उतारा, एक को मैंने रोला में उतारा। तो आज ही हम लोग का छोटा सा इंडस्ट्रियल विजिट था वर्ल्ड ट्रेड सेंटर में विटेक्स की तरफ से, जो कि ऑर्गेनाइज किया था दीवा दुबई इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एंड वाटर अथॉरिटी ने। तो ज़्यादा कुछ एक्सप्लोर नहीं कर सकी क्योंकि वो हॉल्स इतने सारा बड़े बने हुए, ऊपर से पेड पार्किंग थी, तो हम लोग बस जल्दी जल्दी वहाँ से निकल आए। लेकिन काफ़ी मज़ा आया क्योंकि हम लोगों ने मरहबा बंदी भी ट्राई की और काफ़ी देर के बाद इतना अच्छा गेट टुगेदर हुआ। तो इंशाल्लाह मैं आपसे मिलूंगा अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए आप सब अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखें। अल्लाह हाफिज़।